Hello everyone, welcome to another video about Kotlin Multiplatform. And in this video, we are going to create a YouTube clone, and you can check out the source code on my GitHub. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to create or you need to set up the Kotlin multi-platform environment, and after that we need to create a project using Kotlin multi-platform wizard. So I am going to use Kotlin multi-platform wizard here. So I will write YouTube clone KMP, and after that we are going to create Android, iOS, and desktop and web. Basically this is gonna be a composed multi-platform application. So let's download this, and let's copy this to the desktop to avoid collision. So yeah, let me copy it and paste it on the desktop. And now this is time to open the Android Studio and open the project inside the Android Studio. As I open the project in the Android Studio, we need to trust this project, and after that it will take a lot of time to sync the build. It's depend upon your internet and your machine as well. So my project is synced now, and after that I also added all the required dependencies. You can check out the description. You can check out the description for this link, and let me create all the required folder. And after that we are going to create a constant file in which we will store all the required URLs, timeout settings, and much more. So let's create that, and in that we need to create the base URL, and inside the base URL we need to paste the YouTube API URL, and after that you need to use your API key, and you can simply generate that. And after that uh, here you can see that on the official YouTube data API there are a lot of endpoints available, and we're gonna cover all of them. So let me copy the response to create all the model classes here, and after that we need to go to the folder section, and we can use JSON parse plugin here, and we need to write the name, and I am going to use videos for this. And after that you can see here all the data classes are generated. So after that, let's jump into the dependency injection section, and here we need to create an app module that will extend module. Basically we are using coin for the dependency injection, and we need to provide the HTTP client here, and we can write content negotiation and all the required stuff here. We need to create another class of the YouTube client API. In that we are going to use the HTTP client, and we're making a network call here, and this is the whole URL, and you can check out for more endpoints from the official YouTube data API. So let's move forward, and let us create another YouTube client API interface, and in that we are going to use uh, all the methods that we need in our applications. For example, if we wanted to get all the videos, if we want to get specific video and much more. So let me create a specific uh, function here that gonna be a suspending function, And after that we need to create a repository, and in that repository we are going to implement or inherit all the methods from the YouTube API client. For now, I am providing YouTube API client as a parameter in the repository, and later on, when we will write more functions or dependency injections, and there we will cover this up. So after that, we just need to create a UI state, and basically UI state, we will use UI state for handling UI stuff, for example getting data and much more stuff, displaying errors, displaying loading screen. Now let us create another class that gonna be a main view model, and that will extend our view model, and we will write all the functionality about the mutable states, handling the data, handling the UI states, and much more. Now we need to write the remaining dependency injection objects, and we need to provide the main view model, we need to provide the repository, and all the remainings here. And soon I am going to upload a dedicated video on the dependency injection using Coin. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I already created the error screen and the loading screen. You can check out the code on the GitHub, and let us create a column here, and in that we are going to use lazy vertical grid, and there we are going to display our video item. And I forgot to tell you that I already created the video item here too. So let's move forward. The UI side is completed now. For now, we need to provide this home screen inside the app.kt file. So we are going to use Viger for the navigation. So I am writing the whole navigation using navigator here. So let me run the desktop application, and it's running, but we are getting an error because we didn't start the coin. So we need to write this code to start the coin, but still we are getting an error. Basically, we need to provide Kotlin coroutine swings to run it on that desktop. So I just write another a dependency and let's sync it, and after that we need to run it, and hopefully we will get the results. And as you can see that we are getting the result, and we are just displaying the video card, and in the upcoming videos we are going to also uh, copy the whole design of the YouTube, and moreover we will focus on the mm, playing the videos and much more. So stay tuned, and for the whole YouTube clone you can check out the link in the below, and let's get started and run. And the Android device is running as well. It's loading and it will display the UI as well. Thank you for watching the video, and this is gonna be a full series and we are covering the whole YouTube clone here. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on the LinkedIn as well.